Who are you? A parent? An accountant? A business owner? No, those are things that you do. Often we get caught up in what we do, we forget who we are. I spent many years trying to be the best mom, the best wife, and the best teacher that I could be. I put all my energy into it because I enjoyed serving my family and my students. The problem was, when my marriage ended and my career became increasingly more difficult, I couldn't recognize myself in the mirror. This made me realize, though, that I had focused on everyone else for so long that I lost who I was. I see stay-at-home parents sometimes fall into this same trap because their world becomes their children. And every day I see parents, entrepreneurs, sometimes even married couples forget the why of their routine. In my opinion, a midlife crisis is sometimes a product of this phenomenon. One day we wake up and say, "What? How'd I get here?" We must continue to feed the person we are with the things that we love and remember that person you were before kids, before the career. So, who are you? Who are you when the kids are grown and retirement sets in? Who are you when no one is looking? Who are you when you're alone for a day with no responsibilities? To be a better parent, you must be your authentic self. Your children need to see the unique you. It is by feeding your unique you that will bring happiness into your life and allow you to be the best version of yourself, and therefore, a better parent. And isn't that what you want for your kids? Don't you want them to have a parent that is happy and fulfilled and not just worn down by their routine? And don't you want your kids to be proud of their unique selves also? See, by role modeling that, it teaches them to be proud of who they are and not embarrassed by it. And then, once we know that person we see in the mirror and we are proud of the adult that we have become, we can find more authentic use of our time. Because the things that we do should be a reflection of who we are. So, who are you? Who are you?